Hi everyone. So in this part of Angular e-commerce project tutorial, we will learn that how we can add font awesome icons in our application. So this is a very quick and small video, and there is just 3 steps to achieve that. Firstly, we have to install the package for font awesome. After that, we have to import some files, and at last we will apply the icon and we'll check this is working fine or not. So where we will just apply this. So in last part, we achieved the delete functionality, right? And there is a delete button, so we'll just replace this delete button with the delete icon, and that's all. And even you can use any library for icons like material UI or bootstrap. So why I am using font awesome there? Because this is a bit popular, and mostly guys are using font awesome icon library with the Angular. That's why I think that will be more helpful for you as compared to bootstrap and material. So let it be, and now let's open a new tab in a Google Chrome and just simply put, even you can use any browser, I'm just using that one. So just simply put there font awesome Angular, and you can just click on the second link, or if you just not find second one, then you can just look for the npmjs.com, and you will find the quickest documentation there to add the you can say that library. So there is a 3 option to just add the font awesome package in your application. First one with the ng, second one is yarn, and third one is npm. So I will prefer ng because there is only one command, and this is the official CLI of Angular. And there is also, you have to just simply, you can just simply copy this line and paste it in your terminal, right, inside your project. But you don't need to provide the version only, so it will automatically detect the latest version. So you can just simply use the ng @ font awesome / Angular - font awesome. You don't need to put the version and all, right? And let's simply open the terminal there and paste that link. And after that, it will ask 2 options. You want to use the Angular 5th version or 6th version, you can choose any one. After that, it will just ask for the font type like regular, solid, or bold, or what. So you can choose your preference also. So I'm just selecting the default one, which is free solid icon, right? And after that, you will find that this is installed. And one more thing, most of the time if you are using the latest version of Angular, then font awesome module will be automatically installed. Let me just show you. It's about to install. 3, 2, and 1. After that, let's check the changes there, right? So db.json, I've just made some changes, so just you can leave it. After that, in package.json, you will find that it added the 3 libraries. You just run the one command and 3 libraries are added there. Second one, you can check there in a package log.json, there is also 3 changes. And most important thing is there, like in app module, it will automatically add your font awesome module and import it, right? You can just find it there. So that is really good. After that, what you need to do, just jump on any component wherever you want to use that font awesome. So I just want to use it in a home, seller home basically. So just let me write there, import something from from font awesome, and there is 3 options. You can just choose your free solid SVG icons, right? And you can just use your any icons, like you want to use the coffee, right? So it will just automatically suggest you FA coffee. FA means font awesome. And one more thing, if you just want to check the more details, then you can see that it will tell you like as I told you, like there is a quick documentation. So we have to import the font awesome modules in TS file. After that, we have to import this coffee module, or any font, whatever you want to use, delete, update, trash, arrow, whatever. You can just use it in any component. After that, you have to use that, you can say that icon. Either you can use inside any div or inside any button, or you can use it inside alone also, right? So now the next thing is, after importing that, we have to just define any icon. So let me just put their icon and assign that FA coffee to it. And after that, you can just copy this from there keep in mind it's not mandatory that you need to just put their icon property only. You can put their XYZ, ABC, Anil, code, subscribe, like, whatever you want. So next thing is just see that where you want to use it. So I just want to use parallelly for the delete button, and I just need to change it with the icon because I made a property with the name of icon as I just shown you. And here you can see that we got the coffee icon. Alright, so now the better thing is we can just jump there and check the FA trash. Yeah, that one, right? And I can simply assign to it. I will let you know that how you can find the icon names. Just give me a moment. Firstly, I will just achieve the goal in that video, then I will show you. Alright, the next thing is we can just go to the HTML page. We can delete this button, and you can use that function. Click on directly on that FA icon, right? And here we go. Now we can see that we have a proper icon. So if I just click over there, now you can see that product is deleted from there. Great. Alright, so how you can find all these icons name, like, so just simply again go back to the Chrome and put their font awesome icons. Just go to the official website fontawesome.com, and after that you can just click on the icons. You will find all of the icons like there, right? So there are, you can see that lots of icons. You can just click on these icons. If you just want to search, let's say I just want to check the delete, then it will show me the all related options to delete, like left delete, right delete, trash, and all of things, right? So thank you so much for watching this video, and please support me by subscribe my channel, like this video, and if you can share the video, then that is really awesome. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for your time.